Welcome to the News Frontier 24/7. This is your comprehensive daily bulletin covering global events, politics, economics, and technology developments from 19 August 2026. Lawmakers in the United States are urgently questioning whether the conditions on the aircraft carrier USS Lincoln indicate a pattern of poor planning. Democrats have formally called for an official investigation into allegations surrounding the vessel amid escalating tensions with Iran. Critics argue that the current state of readiness poses a significant risk to national security and military operations. The debate has intensified as reports suggest logistical failures may be hindering deployment capabilities in critical regions. The AI-powered code editor known as Cursor is officially launching a new hosting platform designed to rival the long-preferred service of GitHub. This strategic move comes directly from developers who have expressed growing frustration with the limitations and costs associated with the current market leader. The new platform aims to offer enhanced collaboration tools specifically tailored for artificial intelligence integration within software development workflows. Industry analysts suggest this could reshape how code is stored, managed, and accessed by millions of programmers worldwide. Mizuho Financial Group has indicated that the Bank of Japan is likely to accelerate its interest rate hiking pace in the near future. The financial institution cites persistent inflation pressures and a persistently weak yen as primary drivers for this anticipated monetary shift. Experts believe the central bank may see its next rate increase occurring as soon as next month to stabilize economic indicators. This potential move marks a significant departure from previous years of accommodative policies aimed at supporting recovery efforts. Wall Street faced a notable downturn today as escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East triggered a sharp surge in bond yields across the region. A steep decline was particularly evident within the technology sector, with semiconductor stocks taking the brunt of significant losses due to supply chain fears. Investors quickly pivoted away from growth-focused sectors towards safer bets like healthcare and utilities seeking stability amidst uncertainty. Additionally, oil prices showed volatility as markets attempted to digest the complex implications of ongoing regional conflicts. Australian politics remain in flux as Prime Minister Anthony Albanese calls for leadership from the Swans and Scots College regarding recent allegations. The government is facing pressure to respond decisively to incidents involving sexual assault that have sparked public outrage across multiple states. Meanwhile, significant reforms to the National Disability Insurance Scheme are scheduled to pass Parliament today after months of intense parliamentary debate. Critics argue these changes represent a necessary evolution in how disability support is delivered to vulnerable citizens nationwide. The Department of Justice's ongoing probe into Andreessen Horowitz over board seat conflicts has baffled many venture capitalists in the industry. Since portfolio companies often pivot and expand into competing markets, investors frequently view occasional conflicts of interest as an unavoidable reality for large firms. The investigation centers on whether specific governance structures adequately manage potential overlaps between investor interests and managed company strategies. Legal experts suggest that while transparency is crucial, the definition of acceptable conflict remains a subject of ongoing debate among stakeholders. Archaeologists in Peru have unveiled skeletal remains believed to be part of a ritual offering near the ancient pyramid of Huaca These discoveries are located close to Lima and provide new insights into pre-Columbian ceremonial practices within the region. The team carefully documented the context of the burial site, noting specific artifacts placed alongside the bones that suggest a distinct cultural significance. This find adds valuable data to our understanding of social hierarchies and spiritual beliefs among ancient Andean civilizations. At least 30 miners have been killed following a catastrophic collapse at a gold mine in the western part of the Central African Republic. Emergency services are working tirelessly to rescue those still trapped beneath the rubble while international aid groups have begun coordinating relief efforts. The incident has raised serious concerns about safety regulations within the mining sector across the region. Local authorities are currently investigating the causes of the structural failure to prevent future tragedies in this volatile area. Thank you for watching the News Frontier 24/7. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for daily updates.